Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati enda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingagi ogoswasa yigakurigiriya amabati yiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebereriye kende gensi uraganie bagotebereriye company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayu igabwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asinigo babwate Dumarang ayuari aye chi gauge emeronge tato asama bati ali aye chi gauge emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Omugasomia weri tukeriga ria Jumatano chitariki isano na isato mutinyo iga oyukomi mwaka nechiro mirongo na isano. Karibu sana ase kionga chinsa isano na ibere chiabona mugaso nchekurukwa Matilda Obaigwa nere Kevin Ongeri kokoretera chibicha neriogi ase nchera engikirano nekionga nigongo chaka kora ase county ya Nyamira ekerobono igati yababwatani na boigo abarai ime yekiama ya UPA bono banyare kuburia abamenye betinseme icho banyare kweneke bona banyare weso kiaso bonge na waka kura anene mono asoko bachora abarai bari barachiko ba abengencho ase amatukare bosyo nigo ba na ega negero ba kumurekera obuchori oboke koseba elections echo chiracho gokorekana ase chwodi sato ewodi ya Ekerenyo ewodi ya Nyansiongo na boigo ewodi ya Nyamaya.
Matiangi. Savisa Kenya. Savisa Kenya.
Twa wekire chinguru nande twalemire nigo tolemete nga mumanyanga party ya UPA nige we are well prepared etoleyamo buno bomo womugusi genda buna liboa tonyole chinguru nto nakogoswa nto igwete gisegi nkire sikuisko nto nigo tolemete
UPA yaito tokonya sabera ebiroge byonse bitatu elindi bitomeke twali chinguru ase ground twakire giserensi ne ase gabana yete giserensi misanyaribo otoiro koboko otoiro mona genda mwase campaign mambiende kero mwabekira masakara iganto aminto bari mona kominyoka mangana gisegi tiga bono tumanyese yere se ground ne ya Ruto na Matiangi ekine gisegi to bata abantu tuanibere
oyigo abasaye nabo twalenge kubasaba elinde limwake chikura sobonge ekiara muinyolete nga eyo minto Matiangi igara igasinginje beino ekiagera mwamurangireti na intu twamwanjire monande bwanjiru kenyengima bono lende mwalenge kworokia obuya bweino elinde mwakire abaiga bakobori kurwase kirokia upa mubakire chikura.
Kwa nataka kusema nini? Hii jama si village chama vile ambao wanasema. Nimesoma higher order ndio makandidati wetu wako 14 kulingana na IBC ili magazeti viti karibu 26. So tuko na pass mark kulingana na analysis wala walimu najua. Kwa Kenya mzima chama ya UPA ndio meongoza kuweka candidates kila mahali. Tunataka kukuambia kwamba our candidates we wish you well. Vile tunataka campaign after that we are seeing that we are
na koirana ase county ya Kisii abonchoriria abakabake meye county yiga nigobono barachie konyora chi permit gose chi license chi obonchoreria ase rigori riense ayaiga nkorengana ne budget yo yanyalete gosoma ase ntunda ya gatatu ritukoregoro ase bunge ye county ya Kisii ukwana isiko ya magacho ye bunge yo munyakirogo we budget omoske Peter Otachi nigo bono anyalete kwenekia buna nigo barie barachie gutangasa ebinto byabo gose nonye amangana siasa gwetera asinchira ye billboard bono barabo barachugwakana chibesa chire igoro mono echo chiraike huika enusu milioni ane mono ase obukatakati bomochie obosongo
kara twati ntwabeka baguri ya fair twabeka abantu besa account bagwakana tibe sirenkake abesa account chirigatwa nebo songo ga Kisii county asengete biashara mbiroro abara muri gwakana bomono lakini ntibwete chinde egento kende gya kabere twa consider namangana y'abantu bakurandia na bintu binde twarusia beseye besete bagochwakana negento kende gya bere gochana abantu baitoga sub county etwanyoranga abantu chibese bakobekero for example muntu gwakana a single business permit na ene kuchiari bwakana bese ya fire ande bwakana bese ya waste disposal kanya bese ye rigoro kuchakira 2500 1500 akini twake itwa banga for the small businesses no muntu wikinyozi no muntu bakaduka kaka uski no muntu kaka hotel karika kwa ni siringi amanda siringi sano once pitu atabanga chibese chipa kuchwakana siringi 500 ende kwa na sebese riba kwa for example 2000 chonse 3000 na beko nyara kwa manage boko kwa 6000 nega tokere twa k ekero muntu akwagatsa for example nyumba utaite ko chenche asikonyo kole mo bole mubwao kwa bochechi kurwa so bole mo gochia residential wote chikuru bole mbora agricultural to residential kwenye bese bikira 10000 rero twa k ku 10000 twabeka 5000 bese ndi twa mentero na sisi company zilichiko kwa matangazo ndabona kwenye hotel billboard sibekire busongoga billboard chetu hata yabanga kire billboard yamewa kana 500 muntu gwe pikipiki romo ngaini na bagwa kesabu ari 2000 aka no mwako mugima anyore license yae onya ko operator ya asumwa ko mugima
na nekero omoroberio osha gusomoroberio boboweni ugendete koleta obokongu aiga asense ya Kenya nigobono abaroire babwate oburoire obwa kansa bagenderete kolera eserikali enyara kwenekia buna yanyale koligereria omoroberio yo osha na koyogorora kolengana nabo ekero bakorobekana ase county ya Nairobi ritiko regoro nigo bono banyare kuboria eserikali nyare kwenekia buna yabakoleire obwene anene mono nekere serikali ebegete buna royo mo gosekurwa kera ase enkera enka abaroire tibatumeka chibesa chitaneti chiri buchi misano na 50 echo bono chairire abange babo gosiria magima abo nekera abandi bagendete gwetira obororo obonene ikiagera tibali konyara gwakana chibele cha oborwale.
But look at what is happening to our people. Our people are being told to go and wait. Their card has depleted. And they are on treatment. How can you halt treatment for somebody to go and wait for another financial year. Cancer is not waiting. Cancer is not waiting. It continues to kill our people. And what is the need of having this if it cannot cover our people? In these hospitals that we are having here, people are dying for no good reasons. And what is the need of having hospitals if we don't have medication and we cannot finance?
The burden of like 44,000 new cancer cases and the cost of treatment means we are not doing enough. There are far too many out-of-pocket expenses that cancer patients must meet on their own, including a lot of blood works and various tests that are required between the chemotherapy. But the biggest challenge is the fact that if the cover is for 550 per household, unlike NHIF, which was per individual, means that a household can exhaust their share within 3 months.
Cancer patients reach that maximum, and then they have nothing to do because they are now supposed to meet their own cost of treatment, something that is bad. And many of them used to go even out for treatment, and they could be catered for. But this time, once somebody is sick, that person is left on their own, so long as they've reached the maximum 400,000, which is something very small when it comes to cancer treatment. So we are saying here that cancer is a very, very bad thing. It is really eating up so many people in our country, and therefore we are supposed to ensure that we put measures in place that are going to help our patients.
The other day, I went to the SHA office. I was told that I had finished my 400,000. I was supposed to go for a PET scan. Not me, my husband was supposed to go for a PET scan. I went to KU. I was told also that it cannot cover for me. I came here to the offices because I was aware I'm entitled to 150,000. I was given a letter, which is an official letter, and I wrote a letter to plead that I be considered for 150 the SHI, and it was declined.
Bureaucratic delays and system failures. Unaambiwa expired. Unaambiwa you don't have money. We do not want that. We have a system, we want a system that is working. Number 3, punitive premium financing model. Patients wanaambiwa ya kwamba walipe for 1 year. They don't have money to pay for 1 year in advance. Yes. Number 4, poor communication and lack of transparency. Hatujui oncology package iko namna gani. Hatujui balances zetu ziko namna gani. We want transparency, tujue nini inaendelea.
Na umuriki omunene ase wizara y'oburindi bwaime omuske Raymond Omolo nigo bono atebire serikali nekendete korigia na bwigo kubeka emikakati eyo irachikweneke buna abakenya bonsi bairwo oburindi bwoisaine chingaki bawaka chikura use chingaki chobochori oboke na bwigo bochori obonene bw'omwaka 2025 nigo bono anyare goteba chinsemo chiri chabere chigotwara obokongu anne mono chingaki chogwake kura chogwaka chikura buno chinsemo chiri cha Kasipul nigo bono chirachikwebwa oburindi bwoisaine igaba Kenya tibabasa gutwara bw'obabonde bwensi.
I want to give the assurance not just to the people of Kasipul but to the country that Kasipul is one of the areas where we are going to have elections across the country. There are 22 other electoral areas across the country, and each and every part of this country deserves the highest level of security. As you know, today the country is facing a very stable state of security. In Kasipul, yes, there were previous challenges that we have had on matter security, but you may have noticed, and you agree with me, that even the primaries that were done by the ODM party were not shrouded in the kind of violence that we have experienced in the past. And for me, that gives me the comfort that as we go into the by-election in Kasipul and the rest of the country, we will have a peaceful exercise. But I also want to take the opportunity to call upon not just the people of Kasipul, but the country, that we must be tolerant. We must allow, even when the campaigns will be going on, if you don't support a particular candidate, keep away from their functions, so that you don't go to a function or someone asks you to go to a function to shout them down or to try and cause any chaos. And that is the appeal to the people of Kasipul, and also to the candidates who will be cleared by IEBC to contest. And IEBC has rules and regulations that guides its elections. as a ministry, we will continue to support them to ensure that we have a credible exercise that is devoid of any form of violence or
na umwaziri omonene omuske Musalia Mudavadi nigobono anyare kuboria abakenya abonsi kobasika kobarenda nabo ikorosi obwa matobuya nabonchoreria abakorwa chinse chesiko abo bamanyekanete buna investors na boigo hasense moyende nigo atebire enchira eyemo yogokonya ense ya Kenya gosika bose oseko yesira asamangana yobonchoreria nokaneke buna abakenya banyare gutumeka chinjira chekerero kose koitaba amangana technology ase ogokora amangana onsi.
We want to woo investors. Please, as counties in this planning, make sure your records are accurate. Make sure your land tenure systems are accurate and up to date. What is the lead time between an investor who wants to set up a factory and the time you give him clearances and everything so that he can set up the factory? Don't be hostile to investors. Don't be hostile. Please treat your investors with dignity, obey the law, follow the law, and that will help and make your county attractive. Lakini tukiwa watu wa vienyeji, ile mambo yetu kama wanasiasa zingine wanasema pana unakata tu unapita tu, pita na mtu. My friend, wacha kupita na mtu namna hiyo. It might cost the county dearly. Invest in technology. Please don't remain behind. Don't leave anybody behind. Let us work towards moving quicker with technology. You know, we are talking of, we want to close corruption holes, we want to close mismanagement, we want to close pilferage. How can we continue if we are not embracing technology? We have to find our way into this new digital world. And I want to tell you that some counties are moving. Believe you me, even Samburu has already moved and embraced the e-procurement.
Onjo borigereria tumirane nande ase kionga chinsa ikome charero omarago bakorinde tubusaguska ekiagera DJ Reels ngosaraiga no muroberio of Vibes on Vibes eri tukeriga ria Jumatano ngoroko Matilda obaigwa tubasa guska kendra kubwatia miroberi ya Getembe TV chingaki chansi.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biliya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cho wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ikale au watagite ni gukwaya nyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biashara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone